Hi everyone. Through this video I'm gonna show you a question related to cubic polynomial. Here is the question: verify that the numbers given alongside of the cubic polynomial below are their zeros. Also verify the relation between zeros and the coefficient. Here given that a polynomial with some numbers, we have to show that these numbers are the zeros of this polynomial and also verify the relationship between these zeros and the coefficient. I made a same kind of video related to the quadratic polynomial, and here this is the standard form of the cubic polynomial and the relation between the zeros and the coefficient are here. So first we have to show that these are the zeros. So if you want to see these are the zeros, then let's take p of x equal to 2x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 2. So we can check that 1 by 2 is the zero of p of x, then p of 1 by 2 is equal to, if p of 1 by 2 is equal to 0, then 1 by 2 is a 0 of p of x. That is, if p of 1 by 2 is equal to 0, then we can say that 1 by 2 is the 0 of the polynomial. So p of 1 by 2 is equal to, replacing x by 1 by 2, then 2 into 1 by 2 cube plus 1 by 2 whole square minus 5 into 1 by 2 plus 2 is equal to 2 into 1 by 2 whole cube means 1 by 8 plus 1 by 4 minus 5 by 2 plus 2. Here is equal to 1 by 4. 2 by 8 is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 5 by 2 plus 2, okay, is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is, denominator is 4, then it is equal, therefore we can directly add the numerators 1 plus 1, that is 2 divided by the denominator minus 5 by 2 plus 2 is equal to 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 by 2. Okay, denominator is 2, we can directly add the numerators, that is 1 minus 5 by 2, that is minus 4 by 2 plus 2 is equal to, minus 4 by 2 is minus 2, minus 2 plus 2 is 0. Okay, similarly p of 1 is equal to 2 into 1 cube plus 1 square minus 5 into 1 plus 2 is equal to, 2 into 1 cube is 2 plus 1 minus 5 plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Similarly, p of minus 2 is equal to 2 into minus 2 cube plus minus 2 square minus 5 into minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 2 into minus 2 cube, that is minus 8. Minus 8 into 2 is minus 16. Okay. Minus 16 plus, here it is 2 into 2 is 4 plus 10 plus 2 is equal to 0. That is, p of 1 by 2 is equal to 0, p of 1 is equal to 0, p of minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore 1 by 2, 1 and minus 2 are zeros of p of x. We can say that these are the zeros of the given polynomial. Now we have to verify the relation between these zeros and the coefficient. Here the polynomial ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 2x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 2, right? From here a is equal to, comparing the coefficient, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1, c is equal to minus 5 and d is equal to 2. So if you want to compare the coefficient and the roots, we have alpha is equal, take alpha is equal to 1 by 2, beta is equal to 1 and gamma is equal to minus 2. Now first alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 2 is equal to 1 by 2, 1 minus 2 is minus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Also minus b by a, minus b by a is equal to minus b is 1, a is 2. From here alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. Okay. Similarly alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma is equal to, alpha into beta is 1 by 2 into 1 plus beta gamma 1 into minus 2 plus alpha gamma 1 by 2 into minus 2 is equal to 1 by 2 minus 2 minus 2 by 2 is minus 1, okay, which is equal to 1 by 2 minus 3 is equal to, taking LCM as 2, then 1 by 2 minus 3 into 2 by 2. There is no change in this equation, I am taking just LCM, okay, which is equal to 1 minus 3 into 2 is 6, 1 minus 6 is minus 5, okay, minus 5 by 2, and C by A is equal to, C by A is equal to, C is minus 5 and A is 2. So from this alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma or gamma alpha is equal to C by A, okay. Similarly alpha beta gamma is equal to, alpha beta gamma is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 into minus 2 is equal to minus 1, and minus d by a is equal to minus d by a, d is 2 minus 2 by a is 2 is equal to minus 1. So from here alpha beta gamma is equal to minus d by a. So hence verified our verification. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe and share to your friends, and if you have any comments, please put below. Thank you.